Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. You can make one common mistake that can cost you hundreds, even thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Toyota Corolla, that generation here from year 2013 to year 2019. If you have one of those, if you need to find where the audio system fuse is located, which fuse you need to check, you have 3 different fuses in 2 different fuse boxes. We will explain where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping. That way do not waste money and time. But it's important to always test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to do engine work, transmission, mechanical, body work, anything you can think of practically. On this channel specifically, we'll be making at least 150 to 200 videos about that Toyota Corolla, that generation guys. If you have one of those, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car does not want to start, you find out that the fuel pump is bad, you're not getting fuel, you can just search for fuel pump relay, fuel pump fuse really quickly, watch the video, spend a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road, because the writings on the fuse boxes are very vague and most people will not even know what they mean. So we'll be making videos about every possible fuse and relay in that Toyota Corolla. So let's start on it now. For the audio system, we will need to check 3 different fuses. We will demonstrate on that generation Toyota Corolla right here. You guys have multiple fuse boxes. We'll be working in 2 fuse boxes today. The first one is on the driver's side. Open the driver door. If you look under the dash, all the way on the bottom, on the left side, look upside down, you will find one white cover like this one. Pop it open. Behind it you will find a main interior fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here is the fuses that you need to check for the audio system. Here we need to check just one fuse, then the main fuses are in a different fuse box, 2 more that we need to check, so make sure to stay until the end. The fuse that we need to check here, that's fuse 17 through 32 in that row, so that's fuse number 18 right here, that's the fuse that you need to check. Then you need to open the hood. Once you open the hood, facing the engine on the right side, under this cover, open it, you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. We will come work in that section here. Let's zoom in a little bit, and if you pay attention, that's fuse number 1. Oh, by the way, if you need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Toyota Corolla or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we will put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. That way you do not waste money and time. And here for the audio system, we need to check fuse number 1, 2, 3, 4, that one here. And then they go like that, 17, 18, 19. That fuse is the main fuse here guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.